guys doing?
Well. We are here at Xtreme Machines. Oh, we got another anniversary edition here. It's looking real nice. Yeah, team green all day.
Of course, the small reservoir.
Yeah. Well, that's like a staple for this bike now, you know. But
I don't like it.
wait, what the heck? Is that a dog?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Oh. Yes, looking good over here. You see that anniversary color for the 636 replacement? No, that's the ZX4. Yeah, it looks good though. Not for nothing, you know. And this is the EV bike that I saw. I don't know. I'm not feeling the front design. Hey, I'm not like a Kawasaki stan, just so you know. But got some other stuff. Got that Stone Cold Steve Austin 450 Polaris. All right. Look at some other stuff. Slingshots. I wish I had the space for it. Like, I would be all over that. But yeah, just making my rounds here at Xtreme Machines. Check them out here in Millstone, New Jersey. And the next bike night, I'll probably throw Zeus on there because there have been some changes to the bike since. But they got it here?
They got it.
Where?
Right over here.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, that's what I need.
Two-stroke. Synthetic.
Yeah, this is the one I need. And because it's thin, you have to change it fully synthetic.
Yeah.
A little more, so all right. But you see, I would like to get like a big container.
They don't have big containers. They only
Yeah,
do.
it gets expensive, man. It gets expensive. So I'm like, all right. And
He's been looking for that.
well, oh, the big ones. All right.
For the jug.
Whoa, look at this.
He
Pretty.
He gets it pretty. Pretty.
The Panigale. Look at that. Look at that red, baby. Oh. This reminds me of Armando's old bike.
Yeah.
Man, some good stuff.
Obviously newer.
Yeah. The whole electric setup. Alright. I remember I was here with Megan and Chris, and Megan's old bike type was over there. And it was like a random day out. But she's good. She's good. I was chatting with her yesterday.
Hi, Christina.
This looks good. Like the black, but
Me too.
but where are the winglets?
No wings.
That's interesting. All right, but just a little look around, getting some content for the channel. But yeah, that Panigale is where it's at, man.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. All right, folks, we'll be back.